Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very good morning to our lecturer Puan Elfarizahanis. Okay, my name is Muhammad Izzat bin Kamaruddin, DE150020. Hari ini kami akan present tentang projek kami iaitu velocity tentang roket. Okay, so bahagian saya iaitu untuk introduction. Untuk introduction ada dua benda. Yang pertama adalah matematik. Yang kedua adalah numerical method. So kita go through pada matematik. Okay, matematik ni adalah ataupun kata lain iaitu matema, knowledge, study, learning. Itu adalah kata lain. Alright. Untuk maksudnya adalah matematik is seek and use pattern for formula for new conjuring, which is matematik ni dia bukan saja nombor tapi dia related dengan huruf saja. Alright. So ni adalah salah satu matematik founder iaitu Galileo Galilei. He said that the universe cannot be read until we have learned the language and become familiar with the character in which they written. So dalam dunia ni kita tak boleh hanya membaca saja, tapi kita kena patutnya mengira juga. Right. So kegunaan untuk matematik zaman sekarang ni kita boleh tahu yang banyak kegunaan matematik, iaitu salah satunya kita boleh guna dalam segi medicine. Yang kedua dari segi engineering, dari segi kita fokus pada skop yang besar iaitu science, natural, finance and social science dan banyak-banyak lagi. Alright. So itu sedikit tentang matematik. Alright. So the second thing is the numerical method. So kenapa kami panggil numerical method? Sebab kami mengambil subjek matematik 4. So it's all about numerical method. So numerical method ataupun numerical analysis ni adalah satu dia boleh kaitkan dengan table. So kita boleh banyak macam conversion, kita semua buat benda betul. Alright. So numerical method naturally finds application in all fields of engineering and the physical science, but in the 21st century also the life science and even the arts have adopt element of science manipulation. So numerical analysis ni dia more pada related lah dengan macam saya cakap iaitu table. So yang anda boleh lihat di bawah ni adalah, so ni adalah projek kami. So projek kami iaitu kami untuk menyiasat tentang velocity of the rocket. So the upward velocity of the rocket is given as a function in the time below. So ni adalah kami punya table. So soalan dia tentang determine the value of the velocity at t. T stand for time. So t time until the 16 second. So 16 saat. So as you can see the table. So I give the 2. So firstly as a t as a time, and the second row is a v for the velocity. So kita ada 0, 10, 15, 20, 22.5 dan 30. So soalan ni minta 16. So antara 15 ke 20. So itu yang soalan ini berikan. So itu saja daripada bahagian saya. Untuk seterusnya untuk part analisis dengan metod, saya pass kepada saudara Nurdin. Alright, terima kasih.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nurdin. So I will explain about the method that we use in our project. There are two methods that we use. First is the first order Newton divided difference method, and the other one is the Lagrange interpolation. So the result for these two methods must be the same. On my part, I do the first order Newton divided difference method. So this method, basically the coefficient of the polynomial are calculated by divided difference. So let's see the calculation here. So the linear interpolation, the velocity is given by Vt is equal to B0 plus B1 kurungan T minus T0. So the two point here is from the table from our question. So the first order just take the two point and we make the calculation over here. B0 is equal to V T0. So the solution is 362.78. And we need to find B0, we already find the answer, and we need to find the B1 answer. So the formula for B1 is V T1 minus V T0 over T1 minus T0. So we get 30.914. So the question basically asks to find T at 16 seconds. To find T at the 60 second, we need to use the formula linear interpolation by substitute the Vt equal to V16 and the B0 and B1 by the answer that we get before this. So the total we get is 363.69. Okay, that's all for me. And I will pass to Naim to show the other method. Okay, thank you.
Puan Alpha. For my part, I will present the second method that we use, and the second method is Lagrange interpolation, and I choose the linear approximation. Actually, the Lagrange interpolation have four methods, like linear, and then cubic approximation, quadratic approximation, and quartic approximation. But I choose the linear approximation because the method is short and easy to use, like this. Okay, the answer gives us that linear interpolation, the velocity is given by, and I choose the T0 equal to 15 and T1 equal to 20. I choose the 15 and 20, but our question X is 16. 16 is between 15 and 20, and then X3 I will put X3 as 20, and our X2 is 15. Our X is 16, and then I will get the answer. Actually, the answer is quite same like Nurdin answer. Same. But before this, I just try the linear approximation and the cubic, quartic, and quadratic approximation, and the answer is also quite same. But I just choose the linear approximation because the formula is too short and easy to use. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is Adlan Hakim. I will talk about conclusion of our project. For this project, we managed to complete the task given, which is we have to find a question about any engineering problem that can solve using mathematical problem. Based on our problem, we managed to solve the question using two methods. First method is first order Newton divided different method. Okay, then the second method that we use is Lagrange interpolation. We managed to finish this question using those two methods. All from this project, all group members are giving full commitment to finish this project. I think that's all for our conclusion.